How to calculate distance on Google Maps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to measure the distance between two specific locations using Google Maps. To get started, launch the app and head to the area you want to measure. Let's say we want to find the distance between 2 points like this Timberland Resort and Mandala South. First, you'll need to drop a temporary pin at your starting point. So you're just going to hold on it until you drop the red pin. I recommend zooming in as much as possible before you long press the screen. The closer you are, the more accurate your starting point will be. Once your pin is in place, you're going to swipe up on the location details at the bottom of the screen. You're going to look for the measure distance option and then you're going to tap on it. This turns your pin into a fixed starting point and gives you a crosshair to move around. Now simply drag the map to move the crosshair along your desired route. To get an accurate reading, especially if you're following a winding road, you will want to tap Add point at every turn or corner as you continue. As you continue adding points and moving toward your destination, Google Maps will keep a live tally of the total distance covered at the bottom of the screen. Even if the path is complex, just keep taking care of those corners by adding more points. Once you reach your final destination, you can see the total distance, for example, 600 meters displayed right there at the bottom. And that's all there is to it. That is how you measure the distance between any 2 points using Google Maps. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.